Now tonight, in a bid to regulate consumption and sale of alcohol in the country, the National Authority for the Campaign Against Alcohol and Drug Use, that's NACADA, is proposing the raising of the legal drinking age to 21 years. Now NACADA also seeks to prohibit the online sale of alcohol, sales in supermarkets, residential areas, and many more restrictions. Proposals that could have far-reaching implications, as NTV's Victor Ngaruya now reports.
In what could be a policy shift in Kenya's war on alcohol and substance abuse, NACADA, in collaboration with the Ministry of Interior, launched a new national control policy targeting the supply, access and use of alcohol, drugs and substance abuse, recommendations that could have far-reaching implications should they be implemented. According to NACADA, the goal of the policy is to reduce the ease of access and availability of drugs and alcoholic drinks, with the minimum legal age for handling, purchasing, consuming and selling alcohol being proposed for 21 years and above. Other key measures include online sale of alcohol, sale in supermarkets, residential premises, ban of deliveries, and sale of alcohol in institutions of basic education, tertiary and higher learning institutions. However, the authority says the proposed measures are a product of wide-ranging consultations, expert input and public engagement, aiming at rescuing families and youth from the grip of addiction and stagnation.
The policy is a culmination of extensive consultation, rigorous research and dedicated collaboration among countless stakeholders. It embodies the voices of our communities, the insights of our experts, and the commitment of our government.
Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen, who was the chief guest at the launch, backed the proposals, warning that drug and alcohol abuse is directly linked to insecurity.
Drugs and substance abuse and illicit trafficking fuel crime, compromise public health, undermine the potential of our youth, destabilize families and erode the very fabric of our communities.
Murkomen also cautioned that security officers found colluding with drug traffickers would face serious consequences, while those who uphold the law will be rewarded. However, the proposed policy has already begun to receive backlash from many, including leaders.
That policy will have implications in terms of the question of how does it relate to the age of majority. How do you stop a person who is 18 years old from doing certain things that an adult is entitled to do?
A national implementation committee is expected to be formed in the coming weeks. However, NACADA has clarified that the current document is a policy guide meant to chart the way forward, with no capacity to impose immediate legal changes. Victor Ngaruya, NTV.